Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Tintin. Today, we're going to talk about something many cruise ship applicants experience, but not many people prepare for. What if your joining date gets canceled, delayed, or moved? You were excited. You already imagine yourself boarding the ship, earning dollars, helping your family starting a new chapter of your life, and finally achieving the dream you've been waiting for. Then suddenly, you receive a message. Your joining date has been moved. For some people, that message can feel heavy because the reality is some applicants already resigned from their jobs. Some already spend money for medicals, trainings, documents, transportation, and preparation. Some are already counting the days before leaving, then suddenly you have to wait again. You may feel disappointed. You may feel stressed. You may even start asking yourself, will I still go? Did something happen? Did I lose the opportunity? The first thing I want to tell you is this: don't panic. A move joining date does not automatically mean you lose your job. Cruise lines move joining dates for many reasons. It can be because of ship schedules, operational changes, visa processing, staffing, adjustments, or company requirements. It happens more often than many people think. Now the questions becomes, what should you do while waiting? Number 1, stay connected with your agency. Check your email, answer your calls, follow up professionally if needed. Don't disappear. Sometimes updates happen quickly and you need to stay ready. Number 2, don't spend money carelessly. Many applicants make this mistake because they think I'll earn dollars soon anyway. Then they buy unnecessary things or spend beyond their budget. Then suddenly, the joining date moves. Now, the money becomes a problem. Create a temporary budget. Spend only on important things. Protect your savings. Number 3, use the waiting period to improve yourself. Learn English. Practice communication skills. Watch cruise ship videos. Study customer service. If you're in the food and beverage, study drinks, wines, and service standards. If you're in housekeeping or other departments, learn basic knowledge related to your job. Remember this: preparation is never wasted. Number 4, prepare your physical and mental health. Many applicants focus only on documents and forget themselves. Use this waiting period to take care of your body and mind. Exercise, walk, jog, stretch, do home workouts, eat better when possible. Take care of your health because once you're on the ship, things become different. Long working hours, busy schedules, physical demands, stress, adjustment. And here's something many crew members will understand: sleep as much as possible while you're still at home. Seriously, because when you're already on the ship, you'll miss that feeling. You'll miss sleeping in your own bed. You'll miss sleeping without alarms. You'll miss those long naps. You'll miss waking up without rushing. Sometimes crew members joke and say, enjoy your sleep now because you'll be looking for it when you're already on board. And another important thing: make memorable memories with your family while you're still here. Spend time with your parents. Spend time with your wife, husband, children, brothers, sisters, and friends. Eat together. Go out. Take pictures. Record videos. Have simple conversation. Because once you're on board, you realize something. The little moments become the biggest memories. Many crew members don't miss expensive things. They miss hearing laughter at home. They miss eating together. They miss seeing their family every day. Money is important. Dreams are important. But don't become so focused on living that you forget to appreciate the people you're leaving behind. Now let's talk about something very important. How can you make money while waiting? Because bills don't stop, responsibilities don't stop. Life continues. Here are some ideas. You can start online selling, sell snacks, clothes, perfumes, or products through social media. You can apply for temporary work restaurants, coffee shops, retail stores, or fast food chains. You can do delivery work if available in your area. You can offer service like haircuts, cooking, video editing, graphic design, social media management. You can also create content, share your cruise ship journey, share tips, share experience. You never know where it can lead. And if you need money in a shorter period, focus on realistic options. Part-time jobs, daily paid work, freelance work, small buy and sell business, online side gigs. But I also want to give an important warning. Be careful of easy money promises. If somebody tells you, earn huge money fast with almost no work, be careful. When people become desperate, they sometimes become vulnerable to scams. Protect your money, protect your future. And before I end this video, I want to tell you something. A delayed joining date does not mean a canceled dream. Many successful crew members experienced delays before stepping on board. Some waited months. Some experienced multiple changes, but eventually they got there. Sometimes life slows you down not to stop you, but to prepare you. Use this waiting season wisely. Build yourself, improve yourself, take care of yourself. Spend time with people you love because one day you look back and realize that the waiting season became the season that made you stronger. Keep preparing, keep believing, keep moving forward. Your time will come. Thank you for watching and good luck to all future crew members. See you in the next video.